Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Xiamen. Today I'm gonna try for you a bunch of food that my cousin got me. Before we do that, I'm gonna try this. It's mango fudge. Look at it. This is the thing that I've been looking for ever since I got to China. Also, I'm a little bit sick, but don't mind that. I don't know. It's they say it's mango fudge. I don't know. It's squishy and yummy. That's all. I give it a 8 out of 10. Just because I kind of gotten sick of it, but it's still very yummy. And then we have this. Let's have a look. Ooh, it comes in like these little tiny packets, and it looks like it's jelly. It's just like strawberry jelly. It's pretty good. Let's kind of average, like every other strawberry jelly actually. And then we have lemon drops. This just looks like normal lemon drops. Let's give it a little taste. It's like, yeah, it tastes like a normal lemon drop. I give it a 4 out of 10. Not that it's bad. It's just very average to me. Oh yeah, we have more of this jelly. I'm just gonna open everything. Oh, this one's purple. I'm assuming it is grape. It's grape. Yummy. 6 out of 10. Okay, I don't know why. My cousin got me 6 packs of these peppermints. I don't know why. He said that's because he grew up eating those or something. Okay, I want to try this. Like mint milk type of thing. Don't really know. Let's open it. What is that? Smells minty. Tastes like minty milk. I don't really like gravitate towards like minty flavored things as like snacks. I only eat minty stuff usually if it's like, you know, after I eat something or something, you know, to refresh. It tastes okay to me. 4 out of 10. Not like yummy, you know. Okay, I'm gonna need these mints after eating this. I don't know what it is. I think it's like these like chicken spicy strips, something like that. Let's look. He was really hesitant on buying me these because he was like, "Can you eat spice?" And I was like, "I can try." This is what it looks like. This is actually quite yummy. It tastes like chicken. Spicy. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. This got me this. Don't know what it is, but let's just give it a whirl. Very bold of me to be wearing white right now. There's like, I think there are 2 different flavors. One's lighter than the other. Let's go for the darker one. There's only like 1 strip of each, and I wonder why. I wonder why. Tastes like chili. This is actually quite yummy. I don't know why. Kind of like a sweet, spicy. Let's try the other one. If you guys are wanting to know the texture, it's very chewy, squishy, spongy. Yes. Right now I can't really tell the difference. I just think maybe it's less spicy. Can't really tell though. 8 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10. And then we have these. Let's just open it. I'm being very careful not to spill anything onto my dress, but I've already failed. This is what it looks like. Looks like it's made out of that same spongy material. Very juicy and very sweet. Too sweet. I think it is cherry. Okay, it's like not bad. It's just like really sweet. It's not what I was expecting. 5 out of 10. And then we have these peppermint candies. Pretty much like this. Tastes like peppermint. 5 out of 10. 4 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Then we have these. I think it's like Coke and lemon or lime type of drops. Some of them are different colors. So we have this one, I think it's Coke. We have this one, it's like green and brown. So this is the brown one. It tastes like Coke and lemon. I think they're both the same. I think they're all supposed to look like that, but some of them are just like, you know, mixed weirdly. I like these one better than the mint and lemon drops. Tastes quite interesting. I give it a 6 out of 10. It's not very like wow, you know. Yeah, so far so good. I don't think I picked out like the most interesting stuff, but quite yummy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and like or whatever, I don't know. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you guys soon.